Welcome to another OP session on the 19th of February 2026. These are our patients to be operated upon. These are our patients that are going to be operated upon. Some of them are second eyes. These are our patients to be operated today. This is 12-year-old Abdel, suffering from traumatic cataract left eye, and is here for his operation. He's about to undergo anesthesia and get ready for his operation. He had trauma to his left eye by football 1 year ago. This is Abdel after blocking. He's a bit calmer after understanding that everything was for his own good. He no longer feels pain. Abdel is stable now, waiting for the anesthetic to take its effect. This is 12-year-old Abdel after undergoing his anesthesia. He's finally waiting to be ushered into the operating room for his surgery. Abdel is anticipating that after his operation he could be able to go to school. We could see fear and anxiety written all over Abdel. Hopefully everything goes well and Abdel goes to school. This is Abdel walking into the OP room for his operation.
Done. Yeah. Yes.
The surgeons are reassuring Abdel that everything is going to go on successfully. Hopefully he does not panic. The surgeon. This is Abdul immediately after operation. His OP session has come to an end. This is Abdul walking out of the OP room. Abdel. This is Abdel immediately after surgery, looking all calm and composed. Abdel, was it painful? It was not paining now.
Don't know.
By tomorrow, everything will be taken off and we'll get to see Abdel's reaction. This is Mama Dorothy, another special case. Mama has an only eye, mature cataract on the left, as we all can see. Mama has an only eye because the right eye has a retinal detachment. Mama says that she used to work in the farm, she used to prepare local drinks, but Mama cannot do any of those things for the past 2 years now because of her eye issues. Mama is waiting to be blocked. Mama Dorothy, how for you? Okay, Mama. This is Mama Dorothy about to receive her anesthetic. This is immediately after blocking with an ocular pressure applied for it to take its effect. This is Mama Dorothy after blocking, waiting to be ushered into the operating room. Mama Dorothy is anticipating that after this surgery, she'll be able to go back to her normal routine, which is making local drinks and her farm activities. Given that it's the only eye, Mama is a little worried, but she has expectations and trusts that after operation she'll be able to see. This is Mama Dorothy being ushered into the OP room. Mama Dorothy being ushered into the OP room, only eye.